Here we are again, old vegan and young vegan, and we're going to do a redo on our last one, which were the dragon sushi rolls, because we know we can do it much better.
Yeah.
And plus we need the practice. And so we've got everything all set to go here, and we're going to start assembling it very quickly, and
and that's that. Sushi part 2. It's going to be a lot better this time.
Yes.
Okay.
So our first dragon roll came out much nicer than last time and much cleaner. We have a mat that's like still pristine. Last time it had goop all over it.
Yeah, check out the last video if you haven't seen it. It was pretty
It was a mess.
disastrous.
And the roll was twice as big as this one.
Yeah, it looks more like a normal sushi roll. The only step left is to roll this up and press those down a little bit more, but yes, it looks much more like a sushi roll.
Yeah.
Alrighty, we'll be back shortly. So this is the first attempt. The roll you just saw cut up, and I think we're going to have enough for a few, so...
and if anybody has any pointers about cutting a sushi roll easily, without destroying it.
Yeah. Comment below, that'd be very helpful. But anyway, I did the best I could. Just had a little bit of a dragging issue with the knife, and we figured we, had to put it on a flat surface to get the best cuts possible. But so this first roll, hopefully the ones following will progress a bit, and we're gonna dig in and see you guys at the next roll. The second one, uncut. We switched jobs this time. I'm the one that rolled it, and now he's gonna attempt to cut it, and we'll see how it goes, huh?
Definitely more aesthetic than the last one. It's like it's starting to look good,
Yeah, and the taste
was phenomenal.
Oh my gosh!
It was like, we altered the recipe, and so the last one we had garbanzo beans and I don't know what all was in there, but we decided to sub out a vegan burger, all crumbled up, and then chopped walnuts and a veggie mixture that we put in, and it's just excellent.
It came out excellent. We were just so eager to make the next one that we just got through it pretty quick, and it came out looking better too as a bonus.
Yes.
So all right, we're gonna cut it up and show it to you after.
We have number 3, and it's our final one for this night because we ran out of the ingredients. Well, the sushi rice, last time we had enough for 4, and this time they're not as big, but we only got 3, so I don't understand that, but I'm pretty sure I only did 1 cup. I'll have to check. Maybe it was a cup and a half last time. I don't know. But anyway, they are so good, and this one is beautiful.
Yeah, we forgot to show the last one after it was cut. Like I said we would, but I guess we just got a little eager to eat it. Anyway, so we'll probably show this one here as it is before it's cut and once before we eat it. And that's that. Okay, so this is the roll that was previously shown. It's all cut up and ready to eat now. And that does it, I guess, for our sticky rice. So this will be the last roll we actually have tonight. So, Mike, are we concluding now?
Well, we might give some final after our...
Yeah, okay, good idea. Alright, so we'll see you for a closing here after we finish eating. And, so yeah, that's it. There's our third roll. See you shortly.
Wonderful meal, and definitely we will keep making this, and we just feel like our technique really improved. Highly recommended. And I'm going to change the, I put the recipe for the other one on our longer video of our first attempt, and I'm going to put the differences that we put on in this one, and we liked it better.
Yeah, it was excellent. I mean, first bite, I was already just, yeah,
very definitely. The very first bite, I was just like, whoa, this is good.
And I think the looks also improved some
It did.
from the other one. I mean, considering the very first roll was a sushi burrito.
Yeah, we learned on the ones that are wrapped with the seaweed that you saw through those, whereas the other one that doesn't have the wrapping around it, you have to go straight down.
Yeah, little things like that. That there's only one way to find out. You know, and that's by doing.
Yeah.
So that's
anyway.
that. I'm totally satisfied, and we'll do this again sometime.
Absolutely.
All right, so that'll do it.